man. Hey, who
Don't let me beat you. Don't let me display here.
This your boy.
You want to beat me? Come on. Come on. This man wants to beat me. You almost knocked me down. Do you know the things I'm going through? Do you know all the things I am going through? Do you know?
And your boss is scam. Na esa fom, the boss from Kwamba. You wanted
to hurt me. You were sitting in the car.
Tell go take him. Foolish boy. Why Lebasa? What's it then?
I'm not okay. I'm tired of life. Only me. I'm suffering. I don't have food to eat. It's like my village people have even they have contracted you people to come and finish me.
No.
Finito. No. Yes.
Don't cry. Calm down. I'm going for a meeting. Let me collect your number. I'll call you so that I'll meet you up. Then we talk. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay.
You say your name is what?
My name is Vanessa.
Vanessa. All right.
You have to talk to your driver.
Don't worry. Hey! Come back, apology chain. So from there. Kneel down, apology to her. Kneel down.
Your shirt like this thing.
And my favorite.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm not doing that again.
Yeah, come on, get inside.
Come on.
Sorry, okay.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to our fan wine shop.
All right, thank you. All right.
Okay, yes. Golden what? Okay. But I think it's okay.
It's okay. All right.
I think it's
Okay, then. That reminds me.
okay.
The other time my driver came to pick me up, I was going to my father's new place too.
Yeah.
I saw some lady and the girl was very beautiful.
Wow.
See, my driver even wanted to use the car to hit
Wow.
The girl is so nice.
Wow.
And I speak to her and she was saying she live alone and you don't have anyone to take care of her. But she's such a nice girl. You understand?
Okay, but if only she's good. Because these girls, they'll be like, they don't have anything, then later they are coming against you. So if only she's good and then she can watch your styles and then just take care of you, you understand?
Oh, from the way she talks, it means like she'll be a good woman. You understand? So like I wanted to let her come to my place. I just stay alone.
That's it.
Yeah.
Always you're in the house unless I come around and stuff. So at least she'll be doing some washing and then cooking and stuff.
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool.
Yeah. So
that's cool.
and she will come and I've talked to her probably like this weekend I'll go and pick her up so that I will take her
to your house.
So that I go and see her around. If she will be comfortable to stay with me.
Oh, I think she'll be.
Yeah. Evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
All right. I came to see you today.
Okay.
I think the other time what happened to sorry, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. By the way, where's your house?
Oh, I live down
Which
there.
one?
You
Yeah,
go
that
straight,
house.
then you make a left turn. That side.
Which house?
Inside. I'm inside.
Oh, okay. Okay. I want to stay with you
Hey.
in my house.
Wow.
Yeah, because all my families they are living in the US, so I'm only person who living in Ghana, and you know my father have a lot of buildings and other stuff, and I don't want you to leave this area. You know this area, see your skin, eh? Man, they see them area they so boring. Seriously. And think I'm a pede. Men you kokwatina me feel say if you are okay.
I will. I'm okay.
You are okay.
I'm okay.
You are okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. You are welcome.
But I have a son.
You have a son.
Yes, but he lives with my mother in the village.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. So, I will come and take you so that you come and stay with me,
Hey,
and I'll
okay.
come and see your mom too. Okay?
She's not here.
Alright. So you stay here alone.
Yes.
So don't worry. I'll come and pick you up. Okay? Alright. Do you have mobile money?
Yes.
Alright. Let me send you something small. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Do your number. Vanessa.
Yes.
Alright. I've sent you 1,000 Ghana, okay?
Hey! Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Hey!
So,
God bless you.
alright. So see you later, okay?
Okay. I was going to also get some small things.
Oh,
so...
sit down. Let me drop you. Sit down. Let me drop you.
Oh.
Alright. Guess. We'll get to man.
I'm sorry.
Fefien. And you met okay, man.
Atemuda,
Nessa.
how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay. Thanks for asking. I wanted to talk to you about something.
Oh, worry.
My son. He's with my mother, and she's not taking very good care of him at all. And it's worrying me. My spirit is not feeling good. I want to take good care of him. So I wanted to discuss with you if I can bring him to this place.
Alright. I don't have any problem concerning you are bringing your child here. No, here is your home. Have a fee. Just feel free. Mepibiano. Yeah. So when do you want to bring him here? Anytime.
Yes.
Alright. I have no problem. So you just decide the time you want to bring him.
Okay.
I'm okay with everything.
Aw.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
God bless you.
You are welcome.
Aw, thank you. What will you eat this afternoon?
Alright. My father sent me somewhere, so
Okay.
I have to go.
Oh, okay.
So make sure when you are going out,
Okay.
you lock the gate.
Okay. Okay.
Make sure you lock the
I
gate.
will.
Eh?
Okay.
Alright. So let me leave you.
Okay.
So when I come back, okay.
Okay. I will clean here. Don't worry. I'll do
You let's go.
everything.
Let's go.
Okay. Let me take your gift.
Nessa.
That's it.
Nessa.
So that.
Hey God. This girl fine. my papa in new house. So the fee by 5. I see Nifi back soon. I got to get him. Once now. What friend then? You back no for inside one more. Etia. Me da hoko swaba. Behave the monk was said na ye no. Make sure they behave well. Etia.
Yes sir, master.
Na white can o tie ni nso ataburu no and wash can atina. Awenwa.
But no wash.
Baby boy, baby little boy. Hey. Why? Let me call the guy so that you come and search it.
Okay.
How was your night?
It was okay.
All right, thank God. But it seems like your children, you don't speak.
We are in a new place. You know, we just came, so it will take him some time before you talk.
I was even just praying with him. Don't laugh. Why they were be, and you know that is not fine.
Don't worry. He will be laughing. Don't worry. He's an introvert.
Yeah, introvert.
Very.
Alright. I'm going out right now.
Okay.
My father have sent a new container, so I have to go and arrange things.
Okay.
But I'm cautious boys in we nyamano with different container.
Okay.
So I'm going there right now, and I'll be back soon.
Okay.
In case if you need anything, you go there. At the banner kitchen won't be yes set.
Okay. The
So
TV.
the TV, I'll call some guy who will come and fix it. Okay. So I'll give your number to the guy when you reach here.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
Okay. Take care. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Baby written. I'll buy you a tour gun when I'm coming. Okay. Woo. See you soon.
Bye.
This your money, can worry, Papa.
Easy. I told you that take your time. You're in a new place. Don't come and start your fights in a new environment.
I want to play game.
You want to play game? In a house that me, I can't even use remote. Please. You are going to don't argue.
I need to be. Wait, where you make it fair?
And the phone. I beg, I don't have a phone to take pictures and things like that. And please.
I have promised to buy you a phone.
Yeah, but I want iPhone.
You want iPhone?
Yeah.
All right. Tomorrow when I go out and I'm coming home, I'll make sure I'll buy you a phone. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
So what type of phone do you want?
I want iPhone 18.
even the owner of that iPhone company, self, you don't use iPhone 18.
Oh, I want 18.
It is only iPhone 13, 14, 15. So I'll probably buy you iPhone 13.
Are you sure?
I'll buy you iPhone.
Tomorrow.
Oh, don't worry. When I'm coming home, stop that.
Thank
I'll buy you a phone.
Oh, God, please.
Let's go. What's wrong with you? Huh? Are you angry? Nessa.
So right now, why are you crying? Why are you crying? You let me check something. His bum bum is hot. He wants to go and poo.
You want to poo?
Let Let me take him. You spoil the floor.
But little.
It's okay. Cry, please.
Ah, shit. Ah, this little boy, eh? And now me Mutu no so because that wa babe. Obi the general samara na ba destroy hono mo. Abo ma meti me na no disun. No amado. Aba yin ba bia wanya. Aba yin ba ta so. Aba nkwese sem so ne. Sweetie Tamichai, Namumbo, Komobi, Monko Monina Lanide. May I mapia Maudaba? Where are you going? You are going to buy yam?
Yes, I'm going to buy yam.
Wow. But the money that I have here, no, it is not changeable.
It's what money?
Yeah, I have to change it. I have to go and change it.
Which money is that?
Yeah, I have to go and change it.
Oh, I can go and change it.
Do you know where they change dollars?
Last time when we were passing the roadside, you were talking like that, and then you said that you pointed your hands. You forgotten. I remember the place. You give it to me.
No. You are taking $200 to go buy yam. Hey,
I'll bet you say you change it. No, you said you change the money, right?
No.
I'll keep it for you.
Change only the $100.
What if somebody steals the money? Just give it to me. I'll keep it.
Just go and change.
You were singing love song for me right now.
No, when you come, I'll give you dollars. I'll go and draw the rest of the money. Okay? Nessa, come. I wanted to discuss something very influential and urgently with you.
Okay.
Do you know your children is growing? And you have to take them to school. So I've decided the school be no where children. I just want to go there, see the headmaster, then Mama wa pamatalamano so that he will start school. You know, by the time you grow up small, no, being about 15 years simple. Now if you're way DHS, that's okay. That would be very nice. Earlier you started, earlier you complimentary early. Why? Are you not happy?
No, I'm listening. No, I'm happy. I was just, my mind was doing, you know, when I'm going to a market, I have to calculate. Sorry, forgive me. I hear you, don't worry.
All right. Don't take long, eh? Focus, Africa, and Nana do in Navia. Oh, Papa, Messi, never boom. No go to school, man. You come out 1 hour so for the pan. No better you talk on it. So called it. Hey, I'm so called it. The task so called it. Hey, this driver, you watch it.
Little, wake up. Little, wake up. You like sleeping, get up. There's trouble. Get up. Oh.
Why are you spoiling my sleep?
Why am I spoiling your sleep? Atemuda said you are going to school. He's already going to let them start sewing school uniform for you. I don't know what to do again, no. He's really becoming unbecoming, no. At this moment, you have to get ready and go to school. I don't know what to do again.
What, that boy, is he crazy?
I don't know.
That boy, is he mad?
I don't know.
Now go wait. And you want cry so wait, Jimmy, sir. Oshana, or no beer, Sikafatano. Now, debut, 1 year scanner, for Frona, so I never see for you. Uncle for Uncle Square.
Maybe I've told you, I don't know. What should we do?
I know something.
What?
Tell him that you take me to your mother. Nessa. I'll go and school there.
Okay.
Do you understand?
I understand, but I'll try. I hope he accepts.
If he didn't
Me, I'm
accept that,
tired,
you should
oh.
take it like that.
Listen, I'm getting tired though. It's like this guy is really trying. Oh. Me, I don't know what they're going to do. Me,
Your brain is small, that's
my
why.
brain is
You are
small.
letting this stupid man confusing you.
You they be sitting there. You go to school.
Masa.
Go to school.
Me to school.
You go to school.
I think he is joking. Me to school. Masa, you are spoiling my sleeping area.
Mama B.
Dada B.
Mama B.
Dada B.
Mama B.
Yeah.
What's
up? What's up?
Everything cool.
Everything
Everything
cool.
cool. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go.
Just order Uber so that we will take her.
I think we are waiting for a driver.
My driver.
Yeah, your driver.
I called him yesterday and I told that guy that I'm having an emergency meeting that I have to attend. I've called this guy more than 10 times. This guy don't pick my call.
I've been saying this. So you need to sack that guy. I think this is the third time.
You know, but every place that we go when we come, I just give him money. I pay him for everything.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
So how will he will react that to me? Why?
Okay, you let me order and then.
But you have to learn how to drive. This cars what they have parked there. You can't even ride them. But I don't know how to drive. I need to know how to drive.
By next year, I will start driving.
Next year.
Okay, I think 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me check the.
Okay.
Have you typed everything?
Everything is on
Okay.
it. I thought we'd be having a conversation in the car, but. Okay.
Oh,
so,
okay.
So this is the first page.
Okay. So we will do the photocopy. This two, this one. We will do photocopy, and I'll keep one, and I'll give them one.
Okay.
Okay. So when the Uber driver comes, then we go to the place that we get a place so that we can do the photocopy. Yeah, that's fast. Charlie, make me go and sit down by there. So that let's find something to drink. How many minutes? 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Abi, the driver will come.
Oh, yeah.
So when
Atemuda,
yes, sir.
are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Atemuda, why are you drinking this alone?
Nessa,
Put it
no,
down.
Nessa. To be honest with you, I'm not okay. I'm not feeling okay at all about how things are going in this house.
How are things going in this house?
You see, they are your children. What is my family did? I'm a man G. What is my brabo? I'd be like there. I didn't make up mama that wasn't something. I just said, the way these little children they treat me for this house, it's not nice. This is my own house. And I know I love you so much. That's why I brought you to this house. I never look at you now. It's not fair.
I said it's okay. Stop it.
No.
Why are you doing this? Stop, it's not good,
So, I'll take that your little child to school by next week.
Don't worry. You know that we have 5 more months for next year. You get it till next year. So I told mommy that I'll bring little so that little will start going to school. And so relax. Stop this drinking. Stop it. Stop.
Mm.
Don't do that. Don't do that. I've told you that be very careful of friends because if you get pregnant, me and you, like this, have you heard? Okay. So when I talk, you don't listen. When I talk, you don't listen. I said I have changed my place. I sent you the location on WhatsApp. Just check it. Why are you stressing me like that? I don't like that. One place you are coming today, you are stressing me like that. Oh. And I sent you 3 dresses. Check inside my bag, the wardrobe side. There's some bag inside. Take the dress, okay, and bring it to me tomorrow. Okay. Please. I don't have money. You, where you get it, I'll pay for the ride for you. Have you heard? It's okay. And greet mommy too for me. Mariam, I said come in the morning. Come in the morning. Yo. Me have told you. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh boy. Charlie. Madam, I'm opening. Mariam.
Sister.
Hey.
Wow.
Hey. Come here. So you can't greet. You can't greet. Your eyes is looking everywhere. You see the way your eyes are looking everywhere. That is how your mouth talk. Anything you see in the house, shut it. Have you heard? Anything that you see in this house, keep quiet. If you see any human being in this house that is not making, madam, keep quiet. Have you heard? Where are my dresses? So you don't miss me.
I miss you.
You don't. I got to cook mango for you. Let's go.
It is because of plan. That's why we are here. I can see that you are slowing for this stupid man.
I'm not trying to do anything. You are thinking too much.
Who is thinking? The thing is true and you say I'm
It's
thinking.
It's not true.
Because and you me near dia kawa boda da amano. I didn't know yes sir.
I've not
Eh?
done anything.
Should be no free. I've suffered when you are from school time. We are dating. I'm taking care of you. Now you are beautiful, and this stupid man want to come and take you. What? Me, I don't like that. I'll go to my hometown. I'll go and catch you and that stupid man. You don't know how I'll be feeling jealous. I don't like that.
I said you will not take me away from you. You are my only little.
Baby, I need some money to go and solve my family issue.
You again, every day money. You is okay. When he comes back, I'll ask him for the money. Yeah.
So here is the control and here is the speed. So you go like this. You see? Yeah. Whoa, second. Yes. First. Yes. Your mom said you are 5 years. Just look at your teeth. It's not going me. Or 5 years is not going me. This teeth is like somebody who have like 40, 50 years teeth. No. I think that because when you do a 5 years, it's a bone face. And it's a friend him. Was swan ubi behind pain fatty. And I feel your reincarnation. No, you know, why would not buy na because mentally, do I for about 5 years? All the social is Debbie. Hey, I feel your wonders. No young question, don't mean you pan on to Ufia. You mean question, maybe a boy, me a dear boy. I would democracy, Subana and the Debbie. I'm going to private income, okay? Let me teach you. This is the control and this is the speed, eh? So use this one control, use this one go speed. Go and let me see. No. Yeah. Okay, go and let me see. Debbie, what's in your from us? So I'm coming, okay? Some ancestors.
Siska could do what to film say ampa. Oh, to then a chesa was his caniba. Then a chesa was his caniba. Mean, yes, sure say. Papa na wo, me a sure so my men a quad of Theodore, my papa. Shabe me him time is come from my more yet time. I be Jana gaga, who in my one casa, who remember Moses caniba. Ah, bepe me. Yano ngo basabi. Wo nim sapata pampo bo asanre. Chesa wonya fe wo bi atse kete.
Yeah.
God bless you. In fact, you are truly wife.
Hey, it's so
Serious. Like I didn't believe that you do that. But you have did it.
so true. I'll do anything for your love, eh?
Now we are billionaire.
Yes.
If you are talking about rich people, me and you, we are wrong. Now you see,
Yes.
like we have about 10 billion in our account.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, I spoke to Atemuda, and then he told me that the other house,
Yeah.
he's going to sell it in 1 month's time. So that one's when the money come.
Maybe you have tried, but that one is not. Like we don't need money now. But
So
do you know what we need right now?
No.
You have to convince him so that you change this house papers into your name and the cars papers into your name. You see,
Right, yes.
white man will say, will. Let him change the will into your name.
Little
I love you
I love you too. Oh.
This one shows that you are really my wife.
Hey,
You see?
that's right.
So try to convince
I
him
will.
so that he will change the will into your name.
Okay.
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 Today, dear, I'll go trade.
Hey, wait.